MIT uses shadows to help self-driving vehicles see around corners. MIT researchers developed a new system that uses small changes in shadows to determine if there's a moving object coming around the corner. Autonomous cars could one day use the system to quickly avoid a potential collision with another car or pedestrian, MIT said. However, MIT revealed that the system has only been tested in indoor lighting conditions so far. Elon God. Musk after Cybertruck's armored windows shatter during the launch of Tesla's electric pickup truck. Cybertruck. CEO Elon Musk invited chief designer Franz von Holzhausen to throw a metal ball at its armored window to test the strength. When the window broke, Musk said, got a second test smashed the rear window. After which Musk added, it didn't go through. That's the plus side.